Virginia is for lovers, and I am loving it here. I always do. Virginia is one of my favorite places in the country to be. Richmond specifically. It's got lots of culture, and I love it. I'm on my way to meet Marcia and Harry, dying to hear their story, like how did you come into some money? What kind of house are we looking for and where? Look at your outfit.
Oh my God, color matching!
We are matching to the...
I'm so excited, I feel like
Oh my God, nice to see you.
Yes!
Amazing.
I should've worn my pink shirt.
Okay. Tomorrow. Always pink. Get into it. Yes. I think it's the color, isn't
That
it?
color.
Matter of fact, I got married in a pink suit.
You did?
He did.
I'm gonna have to see that outfit. So tell me how you came into some money.
I had already won like some little small scratches.
Oh, so we're gamblers here.
No, she's the gambler.
She's
She's the gambler. I turned those in, got my cash back, so I'm gonna flip it. And I was like, I see my favorite tickets. I do have a favorite ticket.
Okay.
And I'm like, OMG, I just hit for $2 million. I was like,
That is so
did not
cool.
call nobody. I didn't even call him. I got a piece of paper and I started writing out my bills. That's what I did. I was just like debt-free sister.
I just wanted to test the ticket. Just touch it.
All
That's
right.
one that's $2 million.
Amazing.
We were planning our wedding because we just got married in June of last year.
Congratulations, newlyweds.
Thank you. So
$2 million. All right, so we're looking for a dream house. How many bedrooms?
I want between 4 to 5,
Okay.
and I need about 3 to 4 bathrooms because I don't like to share, and I want people to be comfortable. When I'm cooking in the kitchen, I can talk to the people in the room.
So open floor plan.
Yes.
Got it.
Prefer a new build if it could.
I love new builds.
Big closet.
Big club. For her, right?
You just had to go there.
Tell me what you need.
I'm an outside person, so I just
Yes.
like have yard, not too much. No,
Not too much.
Yeah.
Not land, but plenty
Yeah.
of yard.
Yeah.
That's his domain. It's outside, mine's inside.
All right. How much are we spending?
800 to 850, maybe a little wiggle room.
What's the wiggle? You know I can wiggle
Not
all...
over 9.
Okay. I'll keep the wiggle under 9.
Cute.
And we're gonna be looking good doing it. I can feel it.
Yeah.
All right, give me some love. I'm gonna do all the good luck on you. First up, I wanted to show Marcia and Harry a model home. Wheeler Walk is a stunning showcase for this brand new community. There's so many different floor plans for them to choose from, so many different styles. I mean, you look around. So I'm really curious to see what they think of the neighborhood and the vibe that's going on here.
Hey.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm hanging out with you guys. I'm doing fantastic. You love new builds, so I decided to start the bang with a new build. This particular model is just a model. So what you guys get to do is pick whatever house that you want here and whatever floor plan that you want, and then you create it yourself.
Okay.
Let me tell you a little bit about Wheeler Walk. It's got 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. It's just shy of 3,000 square feet. This particular model sits on 1/3 of an acre. And we're under budget at just shy of $800,000.
Okay.
Right?
That's what I'm talking about.
Shall we get into it?
Yeah.
Come on, follow my denim cuteness.
Yes, I'm loving the little denim today.
Thank you. Shall we?
Shall
Yeah.
we?
Come on in, my darlings.
Wow.
Oh, wow. This is really nice.
Isn't this
Different.
beautiful?
Yes.
Shall we?
Yes.
All right, so you said you wanted an open floor plan.
Oh, wow.
And here we are.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I can
This is
cook.
really nice.
I can talk.
All of it. I think you're good at both, yes?
Yes.
You guys want to get all up in the kitchen?
Yes.
All right.
My favorite part of the house. But I see something that's a bonus.
Get it.
And that's a pantry.
All right.
So that I can walk in. Actually hide in this one.
You like the pantry?
Yes.
Well, would you like another one?
It's one more?
Yes.
Oh, so I can hide from the snacks from the grandchildren?
Yeah, why not?
Oh my God, I love this. Walk into the mudroom. Another pantry to hide the snacks from your grandchildren.
Maybe a lock on the door?
Yeah, we better lock on.
In this model, there's a second living area, perfect for the grandkids. And for the guest accommodations of 3 bedrooms and bathrooms, showcases all of the high-end finishes. We have laundry right next to the main bedroom.
Like that.
So cute. Boom. Check those out.
Yes.
Yes.
But she's gonna take both of them.
Just gonna All right, main bedroom. I love the size of this.
Love the
is nice.
space.
Yeah.
And your favorite color?
Favorite color.
Is that your shade of blue that you
And
like?
that's actually my shade of blue.
Nice.
So I love that blue.
How important are bathrooms to you?
Bathrooms is very
Well,
important.
why don't you check this out and see if it hits all of your
Oh my
fun
goodness.
things.
Oh wow.
I love this tub. Like, this is gorgeous.
Isn't that beautiful?
I can fit in there.
Let's see.
See, you fit perfect in the tub.
Yeah.
Sit out of the tub.
Yes.
See, that's perfect for you.
Oh yeah. I don't feel like getting up now.
You gotta get up, sir. Come on.
All right, so we don't have a basement to explore, but we do have a beautiful outside. All right.
Okay, I like this. You can add a deck back here, too.
Oh, yeah. I would definitely have a much larger
No?
deck back here.
Yes.
Put a nice fire pit out here.
Nice fire.
Absolutely have to. What do you guys think of the property and the neighborhood?
I like the property,
nice.
like
Good.
the neighborhood. Yes.
Now, do we need a ton more space, or are we good with this size?
I'm good with
That's
this
fine.
size.
Okay, that's good.
Nice and manageable. I would plant trees. You know, evergreens are a great hedge for noise and a great looking moment for privacy as well.
Sounds great.
I really like this area. This is the type of new build I love to see that builders are doing. They've left patches and moments of really beautiful, mature landscaping. A little further south of Richmond, Sundrop Trail is a gorgeous new construction, surrounded by pockets of nature and a canopy of beautiful, well-established trees. And that right there is worth the extra money.
Oh, today you're red. Okay.
We changed looks.
Yes. Looking
Oh.
good, looking good.
I cannot look. It matches the door.
Oh, my Lord. Look at the door. Pink, pink.
All right, so we're in new construction, which I know that you love.
Yes.
Obviously, we can hear the construction in the background.
The house is nice.
Beyond the house.
I love the porch.
Yeah.
All right, let me tell you a little bit about Sundrop Trail. It's got 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms.
Okay.
It's almost 3,500 square feet. Sits on 1/3 of an acre, so same size as yesterday.
Okay.
Price is a little bit more pricey at $875,000 more.
Okay, I can.
You don't mind, do you?
Yeah, I don't
You said
mind.
9. Here we go. All right, my cutie pies, come on in.
Come on.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
This is nice.
I like this.
Isn't this good? Yeah.
Office a little bit bigger than yesterday, so definitely love it.
All right. And here is the big, beautiful great room.
Okay, I like this. Nice and open.
Like
Yep.
the ceiling.
I can cook, talk,
Look
look
at
at
the
TV,
fireplace,
whatever I
yeah.
want to do.
It's good, right? And you can see there's like a lot more space
I
here.
like the just the
Ceiling,
detail
yeah.
of the ceiling.
So great. Get all up in the kitchen.
Oh, okay. I'm liking the go finish.
So cute, right? You a gold person?
Yeah.
Me too.
Loving that. Loving that.
Good, good.
This one have a pantry like yesterday?
It does. It doesn't have 2, but it does have 1. It's right through here. Check
Okay.
it out.
So it's still a walk-in pantry, and it's nice and deep, and it has a pull-in door so my granddaughter can't steal her snacks.
Quality finishes, a neutral palette, and plenty of natural light gives Sundrop Trail an airy and expensive feel. Plus, every bedroom has its own bathroom. And here is our main bedroom.
Okay.
Oh, this is nice.
Nice.
Right?
I can still put an accent wall there and make it my own.
Yeah. Bathroom, I think you'll really enjoy.
Oh, yes.
Oh, I see they got my tub.
But the shower?
Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Get in there.
Yes.
Yes.
Close the door.
Oh, close the door.
Yes.
I'm gonna give them a moment. All right. I want to take you upstairs.
Okay.
Look at this space.
Oh, my God.
Wow.
This can be a whole bonus loft.
Yes, it is.
We can work it out. Yep, and we can still throw the grandkids up here and
Yeah.
let them run in.
And it's plumb for a bathroom, which is
Okay.
fantastic. So it'd be 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms. Woo! That's a lot of
Yeah,
house.
that's a lot of
That's
bathroom.
that's the perfect house.
Come on. Isn't this beautiful?
This is
is
beautiful.
So beautiful.
This is nice.
Yeah, so what they'll do is they'll clean up this, but you
Okay.
cannot cut any trees. This is all very protected,
Okay.
which we love.
Okay. Just didn't pay attention to that right there, that you can
Then you
walk
really
down
don't
from
have
your
to walk.
garage. And
So nice.
So people who's visiting you having a cookout don't have to come through your house. They can come right down.
You are the queen of having all the details,
Yes,
which I
I
think
like
is
that.
fantastic.
Put a porta potty right there.
A porta. You really don't want anyone near your house.
I'm not that mean. That's him.
No.
That's him.
All right, so tomorrow,
Maybe a little bit more yard.
you want some more yard?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We might as well, right?
Yeah, we got the money to spend.
Oh. There's a lot of new construction happening around Richmond, Virginia, which is great news for Marcia and Harry, who love new houses. Today, I'm showing them Mint Mountain. This one feels different than the other two because it absolutely is. It's very grand, very showy, and I think Marcia's gonna love it.
Hey, David.
How you doing this morning?
Good morning.
Good morning. Tell me about this neighborhood and what you love about it,
Wow.
right?
It is really, really nice.
It's so nice. Just like the other neighborhoods, we're gonna be in construction for a few years, but it's to all the properties. You guys wanna hear about Mint Mountain?
Yes.
It's got 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms.
What?
Okay.
Sits on an acre and a half, and it's over 4,400 square feet.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
You think we're at the 900,000?
Yeah, I think you're at your top.
Not even close.
What?
829.9. Come on, let's get into it.
What?
I know.
Okay.
It's sticker shock in a good
I don't have
way.
to do a shimmy shim today.
I love the yard.
Shall we?
Shall we?
All right, cutie pies, come on.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
I love this.
I mean, look at this, you guys.
Oh, wow.
Look at this.
I'm loving this. A lot of openness, and the flow is just give you that elegant look.
Yeah.
That elegant look.
It's showy.
Yes. Like my bougie little self.
Yes.
I'm loving this.
Kitchen's
I'm loving
beautiful.
the white and the gray accents.
We have a pantry over there. Nice size. You can have all your snacks in there.
Okay, I'm a little baby.
Should we go sit down into this grand
Yes.
room? Super pretty, right? Tall
Yes.
ceilings, dramatic.
I like
I like this.
the looking down.
The catwalk. Oh, you're gonna be walking
Oh,
on
it's
that
a catwalk
Oh,
up
that's
there?
what that's called. A
Okay.
catwalk.
Okay, let me sashay for you.
Yeah, we're gonna sashay up there in a second.
Okay.
I'm gonna take you to the first floor main bedroom.
Yes.
All right.
Let's go
Be
see.
prepared to be wowed. All right.
Oh, wow. Okay, I got a little catwalk.
Wow.
Oh, wow. This is a nice size.
Yeah.
It's not too big, not
Yep.
small. Like this, like this.
Good, good. See if you like or love
Okay.
this.
Let's see how the bathroom is.
Okay. The double sinks, where he has his side, I have my side. By the shower,
shower.
where I can fit it. Oh, this one has a seat in it. The other ones didn't have a seat, so that's good to know.
Well, that's good for our forever home because, you know,
Yes.
we only get older from here.
Get older.
Yep. You guys are so cute sitting in there. Shall we do the catwalk?
Yes.
So this is our only staircase that's open.
Okay. I like the black stairs.
I know, they're so sexy, right? All right, so we're each gonna take this catwalk
Okay.
one at a time.
Okay.
Do your own walk, but it's gotta be good. Ready?
Okay.
You. Yes, yes. Woo! Get it, queen.
Yes.
All right, come on, sexy. Oh, yeah. Oh. That was my favorite.
Just had to make it look this so sad.
Amazing. This fabulous walkway acts as a bridge between the guest bedrooms and bathrooms on the dramatic mezzanine level of the house. And there's more accommodation in the self-contained basement. Isn't it
Look at
fun?
the detail. Look at the room size.
It's huge.
Okay, I can have a party in here.
Big, huge bedroom, big bathroom. We have a kitchenette down there, as you saw.
Yes.
So I'd put a little refrigerator down there. So honestly, like, you only have to come out for a meal. Should we go outside?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, it does not have a walkout from the basement, but that's okay. All right. Hello. Look how big this yard
Yes,
Go.
look at this yard.
It's-
run,
I
run,
love
run,
this yard.
grandkids.
is. So nice, right?
Yes.
Should we get into the yard? This is your
Yeah.
Yes,
domain, my
that
love.
is definitely his domain.
Look, I put that fire pit in just for you.
Oh, my
Oh,
goodness.
wow.
Here it is. Don't even have to put one in.
This is a lot of yard.
It's a lot of...
I love it.
Oh,
This
good.
it's nice.
Contender?
You've shown us
Chocolate.
3 great properties.
Wonderful.
And you made it real hard.
Good. Right now, with new builds and all of this, nothing's flying off the market, so we have a little bit of time. Take all the time you need.
Thank you.
Shall we? Let's go wander on the neighborhood and see what kind of
Yes,
trouble we
let's
can
go
get
see
into.
what's going on? Nice, beautiful day.
Gorgeous day. Good day to be
Yes.
spending $800 and some thousand.
That's
yeah?
right.
Here we go. Did we find you your super dream house?
I believe you have.
Should we talk about these houses?
Yes, let's talk about
A
it.
lot of options. Wheeler Walk was beautiful house, beautiful neighborhood.
It definitely was.
Yeah.
I would get to go design it the way I want, have my personal custom built to it.
Yeah.
So definitely love that part.
The kitchen was nice because...
Kitchen was really nice, yeah.
Kitchen was nice in all of them.
Yeah, they really were. They're all very similarly laid out. They're just different finishes, different feels, different size rooms.
Sundrop Trail, you went a little higher than what I wanted, but kitchen was to die for.
Yeah.
All the brass and gold accents.
I also could move in that one right away.
Right away.
I did like the unfinished bonus room
So good.
so I can make it my man cave.
Ooh, yep.
We got to talk about it. Yeah.
I love your face. So we had all the bonus living upstairs, but with Mint Mountain was a finished basement.
I love the basement.
Yeah, really fun.
But what I loved about it, the very, very open
Yes.
Yeah.
floor plan.
The landscaping was huge.
That was our biggest yard by
Yeah.
far. I'm so anxious to see what's going to be happening with you guys. Where are we deciding to go?
We're gonna go Mint Mountain.
Of course we are. It's the most showy. It's got a catwalk for crying out loud.
Yes.
Yeah, it has got everything. You can move in right away.
So huge.
It's huge. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
You guys, this has been one of my favorite weeks. Don't tell anybody.
Thank you for everything. I've been watching your show from everything you've done.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, he much taller.
I know, I'm so tall in person, right? I'm a tall lad.
So we ended up buying Mint Mountain, just the warmth of the neighborhood. The 1.5 acres of land definitely was a plus because you're not over top of everyone. But right now, it just feels so warm and lovely.
The yard, the fire pit, everything.
Hey, what's going on? So today, our family and friends will be here, and we'll be having a nice lunch. You know, we'll go to the snack closet. Just having the extra room to entertain and don't feel like we're overcrowded when it's too many people.